That one is noisy, mine.
But the sound is different.
That one? That one.
Yeah, that's noisy, mine. There's like two over there.
Two wood ducks.
Oh, where's that? What's that? Distribution and abundance. Yeah. It is important.
Flight, stone.
One here. Four. Well, I was hoping there'd be a nest or something. Now someone brought me a young ones and everything is a target. You know, otherwise the whole research stage.
Would have a white eyebrow or no white eyebrow?
White, don't we?
We don't zoom on this one, do we?
No, no.
And egret, which one?
We've got to work out.
Intermediate.
Still could find something. Here you've got the white cedars are in flower.
Is that in the tape?
Face camera stuck on the
Wait
post?
a minute, he's on the other side of the boundary.
Is he?
Yes, he's in the
Oh, you got magpie here?
We didn't find anything in the so far in the Casuarina grove, but like that, you know, that like to kind of, yeah. So they'll be there, you know, likely at the same time as well. So if you came back, say it's 7 o'clock now, say, if you came back 7 o'clock tomorrow, you'd likely return. And you find that with predators. If a predator misses, has a near miss wildlife corridors, you've got to kind of then act as the animal, or a bunch of animals, and you could find, like, I don't know, brown tree creeper. You know, the tree's better. B or even a C, you know, there's, I'd say it's C. What about you? There's quite a few of them. How many? Okay, B it is. And that's B. Are you thinking those fairy martins are tree martins?
No, I thought I saw tree martin and I need one for my quest.
To live, we had white-breasted sea eagles nesting and they were constantly mobbed by ravens. It wouldn't be the same noisy one as on the other side of the campus, you know? So...
These are the miners.
Maybe about 10 or so.
Yeah,
Really?
something like that. Well, ABC, you know, I'd guess it's... Oh yeah, you've got a whole group of noisy miners there. It's very old, and and they've got nesting hollows and things like, see those pepper trees? You know, you might find something nesting, even though it's close to the ground often. What the species
Those days when they planted gum trees, they didn't care if they didn't occur in the area or anything.
No,
They
no, they didn't. They just...
Quite a few egrets in the paddock there near the cows too.
Oh, baby rabbit.
Yeah, we do.
was suggest they cut off the branches.
Yeah, you know,
I noticed that on that big one over there.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we control those rabbits. I was just about to write them down, and then at that moment. What is it on our side? No, there's one on this side. Hey, red rum and maybe green. Oh yeah, but we'll